Good morning. We're out here in front before the rain comes in to get a replacement Rose of Sharon put in our front hedge, our purple-blue hedge. So Mark's going to dig that in and get it planted this morning and let it settle in after the rain. We're going to move it over. We're replacing a Rose of Sharon that was here that unfortunately fell over, and some of the roots snapped, and we had staked it up and it lasted another couple of years, but it was finally time to take it out. It just didn't make it, and so we are replacing it with this new Rose of Sharon, but we're going to move it over. It was in here closer to this fence back here, but it tend to bloom and spread out over our neighbor's grass area there. So we're going to move it a little bit forward now to keep it more in check on this side and over a little bit. So in this area right in here. So Mark's gonna dig it in and get it in before the rain comes. There we go. I think it's going to be fine because we'll feed everything in a couple of weeks. We're going to get so much rain that kind of waiting. And then we'll put some edging in to keep that grass from coming over into our planter area. Bermuda grass. It's a terrible thing. Yeah, you might want to go a little bit back towards you. Yeah, right there. Yeah. When we first planted the Rose of Sharon out here, it was the only thing we had along this area, and it kind of is standing alone, and now we're going to continue the hedge. There we go, let it get settled in. I've had it for a couple months. It's been sitting kind of looking dormant in its pot, and about 3 weeks ago it started to break dormancy and bloom up, so we knew it was time to get it in.
No water in, even if we're gonna get rain.
Yeah. Get it settled. Yeah, get rid of the air pockets, if any. There we go.
Thanks for joining us today. Glad we got that in the ground.
Yep, ready for the rain.
All
Good
right.
job.
See you next time.
Bye.